has kicked little Twixie the cat out the train, showing neglect and disdain. He was just wandering through the coaches so insane, climbed out the carrier in vain. I fall down the stairs, froze to death, left in despair. Mystery so silent in air, he lie there so tenderly, fashion so slenderly, lift him with care, all the blood in his hair. Volunteers said about looking for the cat that now is dead, so blind stare the eyes in his head. He was walking on the rails, starving and feeling the pain. His face bears such agony, such strain, but only the man who was carrying little Twixie is in charge. But somehow he's in shadow and at large. He lie there so tenderly, fashioned so slenderly, lift him with care, all the blood in his hair. It was all for God's sake, for him singing this tune, for someone to feel his despair, to be damned to know hoping is dead, and you do that to scream out and nobody's there. He knew no one cared. Conductors will be banned from dropping off the pants from now on. It's too late for phoning a poem. It's vile that these changes are accepted at the cost of the death. Why did he have to draw his last breath? Neglection can kill like a knife in your soul. Oh, it will. Little Twixie fought so hard to leave. He lie there so tenderly, fashioned so slenderly, lift him with care, all the blood in him